Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So far we have covered the basics of valuation. We have understood what is valuation. We have understood the users of valuations, means who are going to use the valuation techniques. We also understood different valuation technique like DCF valuation, trading comps, transaction comp, basic differences between the three techniques, some important terminology like what is enterprise value, the formula to calculate the enterprise value, and different types of multiples and how to use those multiples to derive the relative share price. Now we will start with DCF valuation and cover DCF valuation in detail. We will also come back and discuss about relative valuation in detail. We have already only covered some very basics part of it. We understood the pricing mechanism. We have taken only some sample companies like XYZ only. Okay, we will be taking actual companies like Microsoft, Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Sharp, Capgemini, and IBM, Oracle, Apple. These type of companies we will be taking, and we will actually use the annual and quarter files and press releases of those companies, and from that particular data we will do the trading comps, and we will take the historical transactions also, various deals which have already taken place in past. We will take that particular data and understand how to do the transaction valuation and how to make the template for trading comps and how to make the template for transaction comp. Template means the model template, so that you just have to put the data of the company and automatically the multiples will be calculated and automatically the pricing will be done. So we have to prepare that financial particular model first. So we have to first prepare that model, but all of this we will be doing in the upcoming videos. Now first we will understand the theory behind DCF valuation, steps involved in DCF valuation, how to calculate free cash flow to the firm, how to calculate free cash flow to equity, different equations to calculate them, how to calculate WACC, what is WACC, cost of equity, beta, terminal value, perpetual method, multiple method, and various other things also. So I'll suggest you to watch all the videos given in the series. Okay, the way it has been given in the online course, just watch the videos in the given series only, so that you get better understanding and you are able to implement them in your office space. So अब अगली वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे DCF वैल्यूएशन के बारे में। स्टेप बाय स्टेप वीडियोस के थ्रू आपको पूरी DCF समझ में आएगी। पहले हम थ्योरी डिस्कस करेंगे, उसके बाद हम DCF का प्रैक्टिकल करेंगे। एक कंपनी का फाइनेंशियल मॉडल जो आपने फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग ट्रेनिंग में बनाया है, उसी मॉडल को यूज करके अब हम उसका DCF वैल्यूएशन करेंगे। तो चलिए आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।